Hey everyone, this is Chris over at Acevacuums here in Fairfax, Virginia. You can like us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, as well as YouTube. Today we're going to talk to you guys about the differences between a bagless system, paper bags, and then your Hepa bags. So some of the differences between having a paper bag to a bagless machine is that it is going to trap and seal the dirt 10 times better than in a canister. Typically, in a lot of your vacuums that's bagless, you're gonna see a tank that you have to remove. There's basically a little seal with a gasket on it. Over time and time of pulling that tank off of the machine, you're gonna wear down that gasket, and that dust and dirt and allergens and all that nasty stuff is gonna get back out into the air that you're breathing. So having some sort of bag system, whether it be paper or Hepa bags, is going to be a million times better than having a bagless machine. Now, some of the difference between having a paper bag and a Hepa bag, the pros of having a paper bag is they are a lot cheaper than buying the Hepa bags. They will trap and seal the dirt, which is exactly what you want a vacuum to do, is trap and seal the dirt, but they are a little bit cheaper than your Hepa bags. And the reason why is when you buy your Hepa bags, now we're just showing you the Ricard differences here, but typically in more times than none, your Hepa bags are going to trap and seal 99.9% better than any other system in the world. That's including your paper bags, your bagless machines. This is going to trap and seal all the way down to 0.03 microns. So, and now the biggest thing about it too is if you have pets and animals and all this type of stuff, it's going to trap and seal. The odor's a lot better, so it's not going to be throughout the whole vacuum. I know we do a lot of repairs on different various Dysons and Sharks, and sometimes when you have pets and hair and the wet hair comes vacuuming through there, and it kind of makes the whole vacuum have an odor to it. These will help and prevent that. Okay, so if you guys have any other questions about the different type of bags that we sell, the brands, the makes, the models, be sure to like us on all of those outlets that I told you guys about earlier. You can check us out online at www.acevacuums.com, or you can call here at 703-997-9292. Thank you guys for watching our video. Stay tuned for some more that's going to be coming out soon. Have a great day.